Pandora! Come back. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, BB. Ooh. TV. No, come back. Come back. No, stay. Stay. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go. Go into the door. Oh, you come back. I'm not doing nothing. Hey. Yeah. I don't know what to say or do. Ooh, bright light. Ooh. Oh. This is the bathroom. Bathroom. Ew. See? Ugly. I know. I don't know what to do. My bed. Look, it's a mess. Oh, Little Wayne. Oh, yeah, my cheerleading thingy. Yeah, horrible. Wait, what's on my TV? My awards. TV. I don't know. Okay. Your wedding? Yeah.
No, don't you dare. The last picture I had on a televisor in a witch costume.
Yeah.
No, sissy.
No, it did not.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
I'm making a video.
Oh, well, that wasn't a good one. Let me see.
I can't because I'm still recording it. Do I look cute?
Nope. Looks like hell.
There's my mama.
Let me see. Hurry. Let me see.
I'm still recording.
Let me see.
I can't let you see because it ain't done.
Why is she being Miss Preppy?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Around summer again.
Oh my god.
Chris, don't let that girl wear off on you.
I'm trying to make a video.
You're better than that.
Shut up.
Don't do that.
Shut up. Mom. See, look. My hair. No. I don't know. I really don't know what to do. Ew, wait. My skin. Oh my god. Oh, wait, I can cross my eyes. Okay, watch. You're watching? Of course you're watching. Duh. Okay. That's so funny. Ooh, boobs. Oh. Okay. Dun, dun. Okay, I don't even know how long this is right now. How long is this? Like, I can't read that. I can't read. But okay, hold on. I think it's like 5 minutes or something. Oh, beautiful. No, just joking. Okay. So. Ew. Hey, so do you. Okay. Okay, so. I love you, and I hope you like this. It's really retarded, but enjoy. Love you.